Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by deciding whether you remove the desktop image for one user or for all users. Check which operating system you use: Windows, macOS, or Linux. Back up any image file you might need later by copying it to a safe folder or external drive. Note the exact file path so you can restore it if necessary. Gather administrator credentials now if you will change system-wide settings. Having these items ready prevents delays and lets you complete the process in one session. On Windows, right-click the desktop and select Personalize to open background settings. Choose Background and pick Solid Color to replace the image immediately. If the image persists, click Browse, select a plain image, then click Remove or delete the original file. To remove an image for all users, open File Explorer and navigate to C /Windows/Web, then delete the unwanted image with administrator rights. As an advanced option, edit the registry key only if you understand system risks and have backups ready. On Mac OS, open System Preferences and choose Desktop and Screensaver to change wallpaper. Select Desktop, then choose a solid color or drag a new image to replace the existing one. On GNOME Linux, open Settings and choose Background, then set a color or select a different image. To fully remove an image file, delete it from your Pictures folder or the System Background folder with proper permissions. No restart is required since changes apply immediately, and you can restore backups later if needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.